Hey guys, it's Ashley here. I am so excited because I got this new product in this week. It is the D-Line Cable Tidy Unit. I got it off Amazon. It came super quickly with Prime, but I am so excited about this thing for multiple reasons. One, it's going to help organize my life just a little bit more. It's going to make that look so much more put together and tidy. And it's just, that's ugly to look at. I don't want to see that, okay? It's the first thing I see when I walk into this office are all those cords mumbo jumbo together. Two, my boyfriend and I have pets. We don't want to sit at our computer and worry about if our cat or our dogs are going to walk by our feet or lay by our feet and accidentally unplug the computer when we are in the middle of working on something. Yes, I know there's a save button on the computer, but I don't always remember to do that. So this is going to protect that power strip and all those pretty little cords going into it. Three, we don't have kids yet, but a lot of our friends do, and we want them to be able to come over and have fun. We love to entertain. We love having our friends over, and we call all of their kids our nieces and nephews. We want them to come, and when they do, we don't want our friends to have to worry about if their kids are sticking their fingers into outlets or falling down the stairs or anything like that. So we've been working on baby-proofing our home since we bought it a little over a year ago. We've got the baby gate, we've got the outlet covers, we've got the little locks for the cabinets, but this D-Line Cable Tidy Unit is going to save our lives and their children's because it will completely have that power strip in there with the cords and the plugs, and kids can't stick their fingers in there and get electrocuted or anything of that nature. So I'm gonna go get this situation fixed up, and I'll see you in just a minute. Okay, you guys, I hope you are as excited as I am. I have got my D-Line Cable Tidy Unit all put together, and if you remember what everything just looked like a minute ago with all that mumbo jumbo mess of wires, well, be prepared because look at this. Ta-da! How much better does that look? Way better. Way better. Cords are going out the sides, and it's not all jumbled up. I don't have to be stressed out and aggravated every time I walk into our office now because that looks a million times better and we look a little bit more put together and like we clean our house. We clean our house. It's just, life's busy, But anyways, yeah, this awesome. I hope my friends are excited. They can bring their kids over now. It's one less thing to worry about. I'm so excited about this. I can't wait. I hope you all try it. Find my blog. It's thisisaBourbonhousehold.com. I've got the link to this product so you can get it directly from Amazon. It's the D-Line Cable Tidy Unit. They come in multiple sizes, multiple colors. You can match it to your desk. Obviously, I did black because that's what we have going on here. But I hope you get it. I hope you're as excited about it as I am, and happy cable management.